Turn on the power switch. The red dot on the top right of the electronic panel is flashing. Press the panel's power switch button. The window will display CYCL. Press the confirm key. Enter the password 1650. If the target temperature is 170 C, press the number keys 170. Press the confirm key to confirm. The 12 lights on the number keys will all light up. To set the time for menu 1, press key 1. The indicator light above will turn on. Set the time to 2 minutes 30 seconds by pressing the number keys to 30. Press the confirm key to confirm. Sense represents sensitivity with a range of 1-9. The sensitivity value will be displayed in the right window. Press the confirm key to confirm. SH represents cradle time. Enter the desired time. Press the confirm key to confirm. If you don't need the cradle motion reminder, press 0, then press the confirm key. SELP represents new program settings. Follow the same steps as for menu 1 to set menu 2.